guys, Derek here with the Closet Doctor, and I am at IWF here in Atlanta in the Anderson booth. And they've got a model, they've had this one for a while, but it's the first time I've checked it out, and I think it's a great entry-level machine. I've talked to a few people about getting into manufacturing, and the Selexx, which I have, and it's just back over here, a little bit more than they want to spend. Let me go through the features and benefits of this machine. I think you'll really like it, and it's a good, solid, heavy-duty machine that'll work for you at an entry-level price. So this is Anderson Spectrum model. This particular one they have here at the show is a 4x8. So it's a more compact machine. It still has the same router motor that the Selexx has. Still has the same Fanuc controls that it has. It does have two options on the drill block. The particular one they have here has 6 in the X only, and then they have one that's a 9 spindle, so it's got 5 in the X and 4 in the Y. But the really nice thing about it is, for an entry-level machine, it has a push-off bar. This is the most important item in any kind of production manufacturing. Will double the output of your CNC. And so this one here, they don't have a table here at the show to demonstrate it, but it's got a very simple push-off bar that will push things off. And so that you can push off to a conveyor table here and unload, put another sheet on, and go back to work. So similar dust collection setup. One of the things it doesn't have is it doesn't have a ride-along tool changer. It has the one back here in the rack. So this one's got 2, 4, this is a 6. When you go to the 5x8 table, I believe it adds an additional tool to it. And they do have a cover that's going to be coming on it that will cover your tools to keep them clean. So really nice setup. Really the big difference is the tool holder here and the way that the rails are designed. They're a little bit different than they are on the Selexx. But a nice compact machine if you're looking to get into manufacturing. Especially in the closet business, you definitely need a drill block. There's a lot of smaller machines that are a router only. So this one has the good router, good solid router, and a drill block. So if you're interested in something like that, get a hold of me, and I'll be glad to put you in contact with Anderson to find out more about the Spectrum model.